Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Marie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. I bought this off a TikTok shop. This has been all over my For You page. I wanted to get it. The Wavytalk Thermal Brush, the Ion. I have the blow dryer set, so my hair is pretty smooth, but I am going to use this. I do have some frizz, but I got the green one. I thought it was going to be a little bit brighter, but it's kind of like a green yellow. It's like a, I don't know, it's pretty. And then you can adjust the temperature. See, off. And it shows. I'm excited to use this though, because sometimes my hair doesn't hold its style, so I would like to have like a blowout look, and then we'll see if it gets a curl or not. I'm losing my voice, so but I'm excited to use this. And I did a review on the blow dryer set. I've been just using like the larger attachment brush and the smaller, more kind of round, not round brush, but like for like this. They heat up pretty fast. I don't buy a lot of stuff on TikTok, but I am going to be doing some reviews on stuff that I have bought, just to let you know if I think it's worth it or not. I have seen so many people on lives with this, so I'm gonna see if it's actually worth it, or people just, I don't know. And I have thick hair too. I don't know if it looks like it, but I do have thick hair. I have a lot of hair. And it did not come with it came with some clips. Definitely don't see any frizz, and I got a little flip-de-doo. I know you're supposed to section your hair and all that good stuff, but I'm just testing this for the first time, and I can do a more thorough. I usually can't ever get my hair flipped like that. I probably should do smaller sections, but there are like, I don't know if you can tell, but like more frizz than this. Let me take an actual section. We'll make this look so easy. I'm not a hair expert at all, so take these with a grain of salt. Okay. Definitely can't put a lot of hair in there. I'm pulling a little bit, not a lot. And definitely your hair gets hot. Woo! Okay, maybe I should have. Definitely brush your hair before using this. I like little flippity ends, so. And I don't like that I have frizz at the top. And hopefully this holds like this, but this will be so much easier to touch up than using like a curling iron. Ooh. This is like fun to use too. Definitely see it looks like smoother, almost like you straightened it. You can kind of do that, but like not have it be stick straight, because you can curl the ends. People still do make it look easier, but you know what? At least this doesn't look weird. Sometimes when you curl your hair, you know what I mean? Like it can look kind of weird if you didn't curl. And it is easy to touch the buttons though, that's the only thing I will say. I'm just trying to be really critical. Because I appreciate when I'm like trying to buy things. And then people just, giving you fluff. I'm not gonna tell you like, oh my God, you need this. Maybe in a title, but in a like video, I'm not gonna be like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. Or maybe I will, but not like, I don't know. You don't need anything, okay? Ooh, I do like that. It does look a lot smoother. You just kind of brush it through. I do get people like this. I got this on sale. I don't think that it's ever on full price, at least on TikTok Shop. But I don't know how long TikTok Shop is going to be staying. So, I think, I don't know about Amazon if you can get it on sale, but like on TikTok Shop, I got this for 30 bucks, including shipping. It was free shipping. Usually that's on sale for like 35, 37 on TikTok. I definitely will be using this a lot. You can get like, I can get a little bit of a curl. I'm just literally like almost brushing my hair and taking kind of like big sections. I'm sure if you use smaller sections, you can get more precise of like a little curl or like a little flip. But I think that looks really pretty. It's more like, I don't know, polished, smooth. But your hair does need to be dry with this. I thought I was buying this in the blow dryer set because it looks kind of similar, but this is definitely a little smaller than that one. And my dad just got home, picking up a pizza. I bet my husband's not even gonna notice. He'd be like, you did something with your hair? Yeah, I do not lose a lot of hair. I think I used like a couple on here. Yeah, let's see if this holds up. I'll show you in maybe a few hours if my frizz has come back or not. And I have not used hairspray yet. I did use a heat protectant earlier. We're doing this day 2. Of course, I'm sick. Even though I took this Zicam to help me not get sick, I'm waiting for this to heat up. It's turning up. So I just blow dried my hair. Wavytalk brush. I like the big one. They also have a small one that's kind of like this. So that's they're practically the same. This is a little bit longer. And this is for blow drying your hair. I like that one because it's just quicker. I like the big one because it's quicker. And this came with clips. So I have a lot of hair, so waiting for it to warm up. It's pretty quick. Okay, I have it at 360. Trying to move my this is how you know I'm very professional. So I'm going to smooth it out. And then wrap it around. I'm still trying to figure this out, how to do like curls and stuff, because I'm not very good at doing my hair. But you can see some like bounce with it, bounce with it. It holds a lot of hair though, because I have a lot of hair. I don't know, I never know if my hair looks thick, but every time I get a haircut, it looks like, I guess I can say this as a vegan, it looks like an animal died, like an animal is just shaved. So much hair. And then I always have somebody go, oh my God, you have so much hair. And I'm like, yeah, I just got a haircut. I don't know if it's making my hair look shiny. Like, I don't know if I'm just in my bathroom. This is just bathroom lighting. But sometimes it just depends on your hair. I don't have the shiniest hair. My hair is obviously colored. My natural hair color is this dark, and I have some grays that do not like, but also they are growing faster than I can color them. It's expensive, and they grow in within like a couple weeks. My hair grows that fast. So, kind of just trying to decide if I'm gonna just let them go. Because also they're just a different texture too. So it's still, my hair is still a little bit frizzy. I don't want to like fluff stuff up. I did use a frizz serum. It looks nice though. Even my hair is not completely frizz free. I'm sure depending on the product. I also have not found my perfect hairspray. I try not to get aerosols because they're almost impossible to recycle. And I try to be as sustainable as I can. Am I perfect? Absolutely not. But I do a lot. My hair it does feel really soft and smooth. So then I'm gonna do the top, which is honestly the part that matters the most. And I did use a heat protectant. If you don't use heat protectants, what are you doing? Oh, and also I wanted to follow up yesterday. My husband didn't notice my hair. It took 20 minutes of me just, I don't know, playing around with it. I am gonna put some hairspray in it though, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the day. If it held up, it does feel so nice. My voice is like totally shot, but a little bit of frizz, but that's just because it's outside. But still, I was saying my hair always flips in, but it looks